I don't know where Tribe Beauty came with this box. I really don't even know how she's gonna top this. I really don't. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra and I hope you guys are having an amazing and wonderful day so far today. I myself am super excited because we're going to be unboxing what I thought was a new subscription box, but it's not. It's just in new packaging. So this is the Tribe Beauty box, and if you guys remember, normally it looks like this, but this month, or bi-month, because this is bi-monthly, so this is the February and March box, it looks like this. So I'm kind of excited because I heard Billy say that they're going to be making all new changes to Tribe Beauty. They're going to be adding more products. So I think normally you get like 5 and now it's going to be like 5 to 8. So again, this is, I think, $34.99 if I'm not mistaken. And again, it is bi-monthly. I think it's free shipping. Don't quote me. I do get this sent to me free for review. But you guys know that really doesn't mean anything. I'm going to give you my honest opinion no matter what. But I'm really, really excited to see what is going on with this. So again, this is the February-March box. And if you guys are ready. Oh, I thought I was going to pull out like a bag or something, but no. Okay, so it's like all in bubble wrap. Uh-oh, I see something cute there. All right, so time to pull out the chainsaw. Okay, so it took me a second to get that open. So let's pull out the first thing in here. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Look at this. And like, see if I can puff it up there. Oh my gosh, so that is really, really nice. So Tribe Beauty has their own little bag now. That is so stinking cute. I love the holographics. I love like the plasticky feel and all of that because I don't like my makeup bags to really be cloth. I would rather have like a plastic kind of thing like this because, you know, then if something spills out, it doesn't make a giant mess. So let's see. It looks like there's stuff inside here. Ooh, and there is there? Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, there is a card in here. Yay. Okay, so let's set that down and we'll pull out the first thing, which is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Fling eyeshadow palette. And that's actually really interesting because when I saw this on their Instagram, I actually thought this was a blush palette. So that is really cute. That is what it looks like. And let's see the inside. So the inside, of course, has a mirror, and that is absolutely gorgeous. I think the last time I got a palette like this from Wander Beauty, I wasn't the biggest fan of how the shadows performed, but let's just do a couple swatches here. Oh my God, this purple looks so good. Ooh, I thought this color Eden right here was a shimmer shade, but it's not. It's actually a skin tone matte color. And let's do, what is this? Cedar. Okay, I hate thumb swatches, but we're gonna do it. All right, so here's the thumb swatch. Ooh, that's cedar, so that is really pretty. This is the purple, which I think is orchid. That is gorgeous. Okay, so this pink here is a little piecey here. Very piecey, actually, but we're gonna work it out. And I think that one is a marigold, and this one is Eden, which is that matte, and it's pretty close to my skin tone, so I don't even think you guys are gonna see that there. Right there. Yeah, you guys, I don't even think that's showing up on camera, but it is really pretty. All 4 shades are absolutely gorgeous. That one pink tone shade, which was Blossom, was a little bit piecey, but other than that, it looks really, really pretty, and I'm excited to give it a go. All right, so the next item that was in this little bag here, and the last item that was in here, is a blur stick by Iconic Beauty. Okay, so it had like a little wrapper thing there. Let's undo it. So I think you could have gotten, is this got something? Oh, okay, yeah, it does. So it adds like a little thing over top of there. So I think that you could have gotten a shimmer stick or a blur stick. So let's give this a little and see if it does anything on the back of my hand here. Oh my God. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells like kind of like a coconutty smell. Like, I can't quite put my finger on it, but it smells really, really good. But more importantly than that, okay, so first off, it really did blur out the back of my hand. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are like no pores, no nothing. I mean, everything is gone. Like here, See this hand versus this hand, like holy smokes. Holy smokes. So that is amazing. But even more importantly than that, the feel of this product, like the way my hand feels right now, like the softness, because normally blur sticks, like first off, they're really, really drying because, you know, they're blurring out your pores and everything. There's normally like talc and stuff in them, which I'm guessing this does not have. It's talc-free, gluten-free, toxic-free, vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free. I just stuck it on my lip. It smells amazing though. It smells so good. So that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. And this says it retails for $15. It's got vitamin E on it. That's why it feels so good. I mean, I wish you guys could feel my skin right now. I wish my whole body could feel like the back of my hand feels right now. Like, I'm not even joking, you guys. I am so excited to try this product out. And there's not really that many products that excite me like this, but I truthfully didn't even think that I was going to like this. I thought I was going to put it on the back of my hand and be like, it's ticky, it's tacky. But no, it's so soft. I'm going to be feeling the back of my hand for the rest of the night. Now I want to do my other hand to match. Hang on a minute. So you guys just saw what this hand looks like. Let's just see. I mean, this product is just so moisturizing and so soft, and my skin feels so good. I mean, look at that. Look at that difference. Do you guys see that? That is amazing. I am so excited for this product. I can't even tell you guys. All right, moving on. So the next products are 2 brushes, and they are Luxie brushes. I always love Luxie brushes. Ooh, this one right here looks like it's going to be fabulous. This one. So what is this? We have the number 237, which is this one, and then the 111, which is this one right here. And the reason why I know this one is going to be amazing is because it looks just like my Sigma E33, which is a detailed diffusing crease brush. And this looks very, very similar. So, oh yeah, it feels almost identical too. So this is going to be a great brush. Really excited for both of these. Luxie brushes are so good. And I'm so happy that she was able to get them in her box because I know they don't just work with anybody. All right, the next product in here is in a little pink bag here. Ooh, so this is by Earth Harbor, and it is the Luna Lay Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum, and it's got seaweed, collagen, and superfruit acids. Okay, so I'm a little excited for this. It looks very interesting. Like, do you guys see it's like a milky color? I hope this doesn't have vitamin C in it because I'm just like flashing it in the light. Okay, so since I have that on the back of my hand, I'm going to put this on my arm right here. Oh my God, that feels so good. And I just dripped it all down my arm. Oh yeah, I can smell there's like some kind of orange vitamin C stuff. Let's see, what does this say? It's a rich featherlight serum featuring seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit acids, and botanical multivitamins that retexturize skin to reveal and more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. So I'm not seeing any ingredients on here, which I will have to look this up obviously before I put it on my face, just in case it's got any of my no-nos in there. But I mean, it feels really, really good and it smells really good. So I'm really excited for that. Okay, next product in here we have is by The Balm, and you guys already know I love anything by The Balm. I don't think I've ever been disappointed with one of their products. So this is Zap, as it says. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's kind of like a comic book strip kind of looking thing, and it's the Pretty Smart lip gloss infused with ginseng. That's very interesting, and this retails for $15. All right, so that looks super, super cute, super pretty. Like I said, I love The Balm products. Let me wipe this lip gloss off that I have on. By the way, if you guys are curious what lip gloss that I had on just a second ago that I just wiped off, it is the new The Gloss by Jeffree Star, and it's in the color Soft Core Sparkle. I absolutely love it. It feels so good on my lips. So let's see how this compares. Ooh, it's kind of a pinky color. So it's not super tinting, but it does give you like a little bit of a color. I'm kind of getting like a hint of Kool-Aid Like, it's not a strong smell. It's just like a hint of Kool-Aid, which is crazy because that's kind of what it looks like on my lips. It looks like I drank Kool-Aid. You know what I mean? How you get the stained lips. So it's almost kind of like a lip stain, but obviously it's a gloss. And it has, I don't know if you guys can see, but like that shimmer in the tube. So it's got like a little bit of shimmer to it, which I really like my glosses to have. It's not sticky at all. It's a very thin formula. It's not quite as thick as like the Jeffree Star, the gloss is, but it has that same very smooth, glossy effects. It feels really good on the lips. And I really, really am going to like this and enjoy this. And my daughter might even steal this one from me because she's really been into lip glosses, lip tints, especially ones with this kind of shimmer to it. So, and she was just asking me for one tonight. And I'm like, the only good one that I have that does that is the Jeffree Star, and you're not taking that. So she's probably really going to take that and like it. And we'll see. I might let her have it. All right. So the last thing that I have in here is by Ceruleum by Babe Lash, and it is the Nectar Lash Serum. I'm going to show you guys what the box right there is. Let's see what we can find out. So it says this potent eyelash nectar is filled with extracts found in nature, formulated to beautify lashes with daily use. For best results, pair with other Ceruleum cosmetics. So I'm guessing this is like a lash growth serum. So yeah, this says it's a lash serum used to promote fuller, darker brows and lashes. Use 1 to 2 times per day across the lash line. Only 1 dip is needed for both eyes. All right, so I'm definitely interested to try out a product like this. I've only tried out one. It was by Grande Lash. It did work, but I ran out of it and I didn't really feel like repurchasing it. So when you open up the box, there's like a little pamphlet in here, and it basically shows you like how to use it, and then I guess what you'll achieve, what kind of results you'll achieve. And it's with 12 weeks of use, it says. And then let's open up the little dealio here. This is very, very nice looking. All right, so that right there is what the tube looks like. And then when you open it up, yeah, so it's almost identical to the one by Grande Lash. I mean, almost identical. So I'm really excited to give this a try. And if it works, I will let you guys know. So that, I think, is the last product that we have. Okay, so let's do a real quick recap and then my final thoughts. So the first thing we had was the Wander Beauty Wondrous Fling eyeshadow palette, and I'm really excited to give this a go because this is actual Wander Beauty's product. The last one I got was on Ipsy, or an Ipsy's box. I don't know if it was, you know, an Ipsy collaboration or Ipsy made it for Wander Beauty. So I'm excited to actually try one that I know came from Wander Beauty. Then we had this baby, which I am really excited for. This is the Iconic Beauty Blur Stick, and let me tell you guys, my hands still feel so amazing. I've been touching them this entire time, and oh my God, they feel so good. So I'm really excited to give this a try the next time I do my makeup tomorrow, like literally tomorrow. I'm going to be this all over my face. Really excited for that. Then we had the Balm Pretty Smart Lip Gloss in the color Zap. Still feels absolutely amazing on my lips. My lips feel so soft and so smooth, just like they do when I wear the Jeffree Star, the gloss, which is why I love that so much. So this is pretty exciting, and my daughter is probably going to take it from me, which may be okay. I don't know. I might let her have it. And then we had the 2 Luxie brushes, which these are not cheap at all and very, very good brushes. So this would make a great crease detailing brush, which is almost exactly, it looks almost exactly like my one by Sigma. And then this one, I actually have many Luxie brushes that look like this, and they are great for that bottom lash line and buffing and applying that shadow out. So this is going to be great to have in my collection, and for anybody really. And then we have the Earth Harbor Luna Lay Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. I do need to check the ingredients on this, but it smells amazing. It feels amazing. Very excited, and hopefully it doesn't have vitamin C in it because I just stuck it in the light. But I'm excited for it. And then we have the Ceruleum by Babe Lash. I'm really excited to give this a try. Oh, and I just noticed this has a little handle inside here. Gosh, that is too cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. So yeah, I am so happy with this box. And let me tell you guys, if I did not get this into me, I would probably purchase this month's Try Beauty box, because I mean, the palette aside, because I think the palette is probably the thing that I'm least excited for, just because I've tried other Wonder Beauty palettes. But again, I don't know if it was actually their palette. But everything else in this bag, and then the bag itself is just cute, but everything else in this bag, way more worth than $35 or $34.99. I mean, just amazing. I don't know where Try Beauty came with this box. I really don't even know how she's going to top this. I really don't. And I'm not just saying that, you guys. Like, those are some amazing products, like amazing feel-good products, smell-good products. This blur stick, when I saw that this was going to be in there, like this was going to be, I thought that was going to be the product that I was like, you know what I mean? But holy smokes, you guys. Amazing. I'm so excited to try it out. And yeah, I'm just like this whole, just, yeah, that's all I gotta say. Like, that's it. You know, mic drop. Like, I'm done, because this box is just a solid win. So if you guys would like to sign up for Try Beauty, this is the month you want to get. Like, if you get any month, I feel like this is the one. All right. So I love you. That is all I have for you guys today. I'm really excited to share some upcoming videos that I have coming up later this week and next week. And until then, I will see you guys later.